Welcome to my channel once more. Today I'll be taking you through on how to make a coconut meal. Instead of you going to the store to buy already processed coconut meal with preservatives and high cost of things in the market, you can make it in the comfort of your home without breaking the bank. You can just get a small coconut as I did. This small coconut is not up to 500 naira. You get a small coconut. I'm trying to show you the way to open it up, a simple and easier way to open up your coconut so that you'll be able to separate the water before cracking the coconut. That's what I'm trying to show you at this point. My dear, things in the country are not that easy or favorable for anybody, but at this point we need to find our way out around things. We are making our coconut milk for our coconut rice. You must not go to the store to buy. You can process it yourself and it still gives you the same thing the one you bought at the store gives. Look at it. The mouth of the coconut is very open now. At this time, I'm separating the water out, and after this, I'll be cracking the coconut. See, the coconut is very empty now. I'll go ahead and use my hammer to crack. That's what I'm doing now. I'm cracking it. Please, if you are doing this, please be very careful. Be very, very careful. Yes, we want to crack, but let's also remind to be safety conscious that it can hurt, it can wound you while trying to do this. I'm done cracking at this point. I'll be detaching the flesh from the shell. That's what I'm doing. Please, this one is even more dangerous. Please, let's be safety conscious so that you will not get injured trying to remove the flesh from the shell. Please and please. Like that. It's easy if you know the tactics. Just try and use your number 6 while trying to do this so you don't get hurt. Continue until you are done with all the coconuts you have. That's it. Continue. I continue removing the coconuts. I'm almost done. At this point, after removing it, I'll go ahead and wash the coconut thoroughly. Wash it to be very clean. After the washing, the next thing you'll be doing is to go ahead to dice your coconut into smaller pieces so that it will not. I'll be going ahead to wash it out. I'll be back soon. After washing it out, I'll dice it into smaller pieces. Please, if you find this video useful, give me a thumbs up, follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on your notification bell to always be first to know when we upload a new video. I'm dicing into smaller chunks so that it will not give the blade of my blender double work. At least it will make the work easier. That's why you need to dice. If you don't have a strong blender, you can add plenty of water to your blender to help it, and you can blend as much more than 2, 3, 4 times to make sure you get the whole juice out from it. If your blade of the blender is not as sharp as mine, I'll be blending just for 2 times in this video. Join me and stay tuned as we continue. I'm almost done dicing. I'll go ahead, add up the chopped coconuts into my blender. After adding up the chopped coconut into my blender, do you see how nice it looks? I'm doing this in order to help the blade of my blender. If you think your blender can take it, no wahala. You can see I'm blending at this point. This is my first blending. Can you see? It's blended very well, but we are not cut out for waiting anything at all. That's why we'll be going in for the second time to blend. But I have to sieve out the first juice I got from it. Then I'll go ahead and do the second blending. If you find this video useful, please, and if you're still watching this video to this moment, why have you not clicked on the subscription bell? Please click on the subscription button, like, comment. I'll be in the comment section to answer any question. And very soon we'll be dropping our coconut oil. Do you see the milk? Yes, that's the milk used for cooking your coconut rice. You can use this to cook your rice, make a delicious coconut. Do you see how creamy it looks? Wow, this is good. I'll go ahead and squeeze out the whole milk. Squeeze. I'll be using this sieve for the first time to sieve it very well, because what I need is the milk. And you see, I'm pouring in the chaff, the coconut flakes, the chaff into the blender for the second time. Add my water and blend it to get that very smooth, very smooth texture. I'm adding in my water. I'll be blending it to make sure I get the whole milk. I'm not leaving anyone behind. We are not leaving anything behind at this point. I'm going ahead to blend for the second time. Do you see? I'm blending it. Can you see? Well blended, very well blended. And I will be sieving this. Do you see the first milk is still inside the bowl, and I will be adding the newly blended one. Do you see? The milk is still coming out. Continue sieving until you strain all your blended coconuts very well. I'll be sieving and I'll be using this spoon. With the head of this spoon, I'll make sure I'm able to drain out the excess milk. The milk that might still be in this shaft. That's what you see I'm trying to do. After that, you can go ahead and keep it aside. If you want to know what I'll use this shaft for, turn on your notification bell and come back to the next video. You'll be surprised with the wonders with what we are going to use it for. I hope you saw how our coconut milk is. You can use it for your rice. And yes, this is our coconut milk. Very creamy and sweet. you will not regret it if you can get a very